Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Reddy. My roll number is 21ME30044 and I belong to section 14. This is my DIY assignment 3 and the topic is disassemble and assemble any home appliance. And I chose an electric mosquito racket for this. So this is the electric mosquito racket and this is in a working condition. So now I'm gonna open it up. The main parts of this bat are the bridge rectifier, a rechargeable battery, two switches here, a transistor which converts DC current to AC current, a step-up transformer, and a series capacitor. The series capacitor is connected to the mesh. So when we connect the charger for this here, the bridge rectifier here converts that AC source to a DC current and recharges the battery. And when we on the switch, the charge from this DC battery, the energy basically is converted to a AC current by the transistor. That AC current and the step-up transformer produces a higher voltage, and that is given to this series capacitor. So when we press this switch, like this is a secondary switch for this, if we on this primary switch and click this secondary switch, a voltage is given across the voltage is given between the outer mesh and the inner mesh. And when we on the switch, a light also glows representing that. So when we on the switch, like when mosquito come and fall in this trap between the outer mesh and the inner mesh, it creates a short circuit and current passes through the mosquito and it gets an electric shock by which it dies. So that is a basic working of an electric mosquito bat. There are also many capacitors and diodes here which adds upon the working for this.